everyone. Hope all of you are doing good. Welcome again to my channel. I hope all of you are enjoying my previous videos. Well, to get started with today's video, what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about something that really creates positive vibes around us when we do that. Yes, what am I talking about? It is appreciation. When somebody appreciates us, don't we feel good? Yes, and that is what we are also expected or supposed to be doing to everyone around us or everything around us. When we appreciate people, they really feel good about it, and it creates a ripple effect. They feel positive about it and they get carried away with that positive vibes and keep doing the good thing that they did already. Let me explain it with a small story. There was a guy who was really good at his academics. He finished his college. He went to an interview and he cleared all the rounds. So the final round, he was supposed to meet the director of the company. And then the director of the company, looking at his profile, he was very happy and satisfied that this guy is going to work for us, and he will be the right person. So before taking a decision, he asked him a couple of questions. He asked him, well, you've scored so well in all your academics and you've performed very well till your masters. So your father must have spent a lot of money on your academics. But then the guy said, no, my father passed away when I was a kid. So my mom had to pay for all my education expenses. All these years to make me study. She worked really, really hard, took all the pains to bring me up and raise me to this level. He said, okay, fine. Have you at any point of time helped your mom in her regular household activities? The guy said, no, not really. My mom didn't want me to do that. She actually wanted me to concentrate on my studies, do well in my academics. So I concentrated only on that. So the director said, okay, fine. Today you go home, ask your mom to stretch her hands, and you take some time to clean her hands, and then come back and see me tomorrow. The guy said, okay, fine. So he was rest assured that he is going to get the job tomorrow. So he went back home. He told his mom what had happened. And he said, Mom, as the director had told me, I want to clean your hands. The mom had a little hesitation. She really felt happy about it though. And then she stretched her hands to her son. The son, looking at her hands, really felt so sad and tears started rolling down his eyes. He looked at his mom's hands that were so rough, skin peeled here and there, and still it was his instruction from the director, so he took his time to clean his mom's hands. And that day he appreciated her for all that she has done for him, and from her hands he could understand how much she had worked hard for him. And then the next day he went back to the director, and the director asked him, so what did you do yesterday? Did you do what I said? The guy said, yes, I cleaned my mom's hands. The director then asked, So what did you learn from that? Or did you realize why I asked you to do that? The guy said yes. Looking at my mom's hands, I could really feel her pain, uh, the hardships that she has gone through to bring me up to this level. So I appreciated her for all that she has done for me so far. And I could also feel the pain that she had. And I also realized how much of gratitude I should be showing back to her for the rest of my life. The director said, yes, this is exactly what I wanted you to realize. So what do we learn from this? We should learn to appreciate people around us. When we appreciate them, we not only appreciate them for what they have done, we also realize how much of effort they would have put to do something like that, and we will also realize how much of gratitude we should be showing for them. We celebrate a lot of days: Mother's Day, Father's Day, Teacher's Day, so on, so many days. Only on those days we post selfies, post pictures, thank them, write poems, and so on. But if we can do, or we can take some time, a little moment every time when they do something really good, it'll make the other person feel good, as well as make us realize the efforts they have taken to do something good. Because not only with our parents, not only with our teachers, it could be even with any people around us. Could be the cab driver, it could be the bus driver, it could be the gardeners, it could be the other cleaning staff who are cleaning the roads, our pavements, all the frontline workers, and not only people. We should be able to thank nature for all that it has given to us. Let us appreciate the beauty of plants, the goodness of animals, anything around us, the waterfall, the pond, the river, the sea, everything around us that makes us feel happy. When we learn to appreciate all the good things that we have around us, it'll definitely give us back something good. And as I said initially, it'll create positive vibes around us. So let us learn to appreciate the smallest of things in life. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.